A variety of machines keep modern factories producing goods around the clock. How much lost production would you suffer if one of your machines failed unexpectedly? Stay a step ahead of your machines by continuously monitoring them with Banner's wireless vibration monitoring and predictive maintenance solutions. Because they are wireless, it doesn't matter how difficult it is to get to your machines. With battery-powered nodes and wireless connectivity, you will know the condition of your machines and be able to address potential issues, no matter where they are located. Banner's vibration monitoring solutions range from a simple check engine light of critical vibration parameters to collecting data on a variety of vibration characteristics so that an even more in-depth analysis can be performed on the machines being monitored. With a Banner Engineering vibration sensor, combined with a wireless node and a DXM wireless controller running our proprietary machine learning algorithm, it will analyze and learn from your machine's vibration level. It can even tell when your machine is running or not. It will then establish the vibration baseline of the machine and automatically set warning and alarm thresholds. It will alert you when your machine begins acting strange, so you can schedule maintenance when it has the smallest impact on production. Monitor your machines, detect problems early, and avoid costly unplanned downtime with Banner's wireless vibration monitoring and predictive maintenance solutions. The future of industrial monitoring is made by Banner. More sensors, more solutions. Learn more at bannerengineering.com.